If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Let's take a look at the final question. Find the total sales by customer country by quarter and report quarters as columns. So again, this one is interesting because of two things. One is that we don't have a quick way to find the quarter directly, and the next thing is, since quarter are to be reported as columns, we need something like a pivot output. So how do we do that? Let's start building the solution by first knowing the tables we need. So we need customer and we need invoices. Customers, inner join invoices on customer ID. Now what all we need from these? First we need customer country. Use country field from the customers table. Then let's get the sales. So use round sum, and finally we need the quarter. So to get that we will use case. So we'll call the month from invoice date, and then we will say if it falls in months 1, 2 and 3, then we will say it as Q1. Similarly we'll simply change this. So months 1, 2, 3 in Q1, 4, 5, 6 in Q2, 7, 8, 9 in Q3. Anything else falls in Q4 as quarter. Then do a group by. And please note, for case we don't need the alias, so we'll just use this. Let's see the output first. So here we can see for each country we have quarter wise sales. Now what we need is quarter to be shown as columns. So let's first convert this into CT and let's call this CT. We need country. Now to build the quarter wise columns, we will use something like this. We'll do something like this. Case when Q1, then sales, else 0, and as Q1. So what we are doing is, whenever quarter number is Q1, we will call the sales value here, otherwise we'll call it as 0 and name it as Q1. Similarly for Q2, Q3 and Q4. So let's see the output here. Let's see what we get by group by. So here we can see it's the same. Now let's use a sum and let's see the output. So now we can see when we use the sum, for each country we get only one row.